Hi, I'm Neil with Covers and Camo, and today we're looking at the custom floor mats manufactured by Avery's. So Avery's custom floor mats, and these are the stain resistant floor mats. So I'm very impressed with how durable they are. You know, it's just a really good durable material. It's a carpet that again is stain resistant material, so I'm excited to try that out a little bit more. And then we went ahead and put on a couple different logos. So this is the MJ quarter circle. This is a family brand that we put on, Montana State outline around it, and again, just a nice feel to it there. And then we'll show you a couple different options as well that you could put on. These are again all custom logos that you could get and put your logos inside these Avery's floor mats here. That's the elk head on that one right there, and then here's one. That's the white-tailed deer. So out here in Utah, and we're from Montana originally, but we do a lot of work in Utah, Montana, and Texas. Those are kind of the three states that we do a lot of work in. And anyhow, so the wildlife is kind of what we're all about, and being in the outdoors. So here's another one too. This is the MJ quarter circle. So again, our family brand here inside the Texas State outline. Turned out really nice. Again, on these custom floor mats. They fit down really nice inside my vehicle. Super easy to install. You know, just slip them inside, and they're good to go. And then there's this non-slip material. I think that's what it's called. It's kind of a grip material down below, so they don't slip around. And that just sits down in there. Again, just really excited to have these and start using these floor mats. Again, stain resistant, so they're going to clean up really nice and easy. And we'll do some more videos down the road to let you know how they've been after a year or so. So again, these are Avery's custom floor mats. You can order them through coversandcamo.com. Give us a call. We're happy to get some nice ones designed if you want logos, or if you want them plain, we can do that as an option as well. Okay, thanks so much, and see you soon.